Over 1,400 rolls and 2 loaves of bread were created by the amazing students at Baden Academy for this year's Bake for Good. Our Take Action team created this event last year, and this year we participated with enthusiasm as 2 of the 5th grade math classes and 2 of the 4th grade math classes measured and followed recipes to create the dough, which went downstairs where kindergarten students from all of our kindergarten rooms met with some of the elderly Sisters of St. Joseph and some of the elderly from the Concordia Villa St. Joseph. And they shaped each of the rolls. And then after school, our Take Action Club baked and bagged all of the rolls for Meals on Wheels to take with them that evening. Thank you to the teachers, to the aides, particularly to the parent volunteers, Robin Felder, Amy Smith, and to the incredible coach of the Take Action Club, Heather Wagner. Particular thanks to Bella and Madison, the Take Action leaders, who have worked hard this year with this and so many other projects.